can't describe it in words. Almost like a dream come true, a dream company with a dream position.
Very happy that I also got into L&T. Very proud moment.
Childhood, it has been, kind of roller coaster, we can say. A combination of learning, exploring, experimenting.
I have been a disciplined kid. 2 days discipline. Everything comes on time. Everything finishes on time.
How are you academically?
So I was a normal average girl, university 13th rank holder and college first rank holder. So, with time, I got into the field which fascinated me more. And, उस टाइम पे इतना समझ नहीं आता था कि how much important is education. ऐसा, there is a mentality, I guess, कि साइंस बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, कॉमर्स थोड़ा ठीक ठीक होता है, एंड आर्ट्स तो क्या ही है,
How do you measure कि क्या tough है और क्या सही है? These streams were designed for a different reason, but I think the choices, the way choices are being done, they are originating from very different point of view.
There is a challenge. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं डर गई और मैंने छोड़ दिया. Whether is a failure or success, वो बात की बात है. टिपिकल गुजराती फैमिली तो वो अलाउ नहीं करते ऐसे कि हाँ व्हाट्स द सिक्योरिटी. आई रियली फेल्ट सो बैड. आई वाज लाइक कि अगर इफ आई रियली वांट टू डू इट, व्हाई नॉट. दिस वाज द फील्ड, डेटा साइंस वाज द फील्ड व्हिच really attracted me the more.
I belong to Katni. There was not much resources available. Like कैसे करेगी? ना कोचिंग है ना कुछ है, कैसे कहाँ जाएगी?
How did this tech thing, a small girl from Katni, which has limited resources, all of a sudden gets her interest into tech?
Like it was a tough decision for me. Like BBA के बाद सबने बोला MBA कर. खुशी, this is tough, हाँ. तो बोला पापा अब तो मत बोलो, अब तो जाने वाली हूँ, अब तो मत बोलो. I have taken admission. That I was the person who topped in the whole college.
मेरे क्लास में अगर मेरे साथ खुशी बैठी है तो वी आर कॉम्पिटिटर्स. कहीं ना कहीं वी आर कॉम्पिटिंग. एक अंदर से अच्छा वाइब देना, एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना, दैट इज देयर एट एनवीएस. तो आई थिंक यहाँ की हर एक चीज ने काफी सारा सिखाया है, नॉट ओनली वन.
Is what I want to talk about your interview experience with L&T.
उनको ये जानना था कि अल्गोरिथम तो आपको पता ही होगा, बट अगर वो अल्गोरिथम तो कहाँ यूज करना है वो अगर आपको नहीं पता, देन अगेन अ प्रॉब्लम. मुझे ये पता होना चाहिए कि जब प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए तो ये मॉडल यूज होगा. एक पर्सपेक्टिव हमें भी मिला, बट अब समझ आया कि रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस कैसे काम करती है. तो दे कैन जज, नॉलेज तो जज हो ही जाएगा, बट विद दैट दे कैन जज हाउ यू विल बिहेव.
I remember Zakir Khan's one of a reel where he says कि काम 19 होगा चलेगा, आदमी 20 होना चाहिए. So today's world is all about data. Data is the new oil, people say, and when you don't know how to handle oil, it will create catastrophic event.
हर चीज मॉनिटर हो रही है, डिजिटली हो रहा है, तो देयर इज नो चांस कि आप कहीं से बच जाने वाले हो. इस एनवायरनमेंट को 2 साल कंटिन्यूअसली फॉलो करते करते हम इस एनवायरनमेंट का पार्ट बन चुके हैं.
डिजिटल फ्रेंडली होने का मतलब, सो व्हेन यू हैव हैड एन एक्सपोजर ऑफ working with technologies, then you appreciate the importance of processes. What is that one advice that you want to give from your whole experience?
तो आई रियली वांट कि एक चीज उनको सीखनी चाहिए, वो है मैनेजमेंट.
स्किल एनहांसमेंट पे काम करो. टेक इज चेंजिंग एवरी सेकंड. यू नीड टू बी अपडेटेड एवरी सेकंड.
First of all, congratulations Dharmi and Khushi for getting into L&T reality as data scientist.
Thank you
So much, sir.
How are you feeling?
Just can't describe it in words because it's almost like a dream come true, a dream company with a dream position. So just can't explain this feeling in the words.
Lovely.
Very
Khushi.
proud moment for everyone. Like at NBS also, at my family also. So very proud, feeling very proud and very happy that I also got into L&T. It is a dream company of I think everyone. So
Right.
it's a big brand to work with, their culture and everything. So
Right. So I'm so glad that you both are happy with it. So both of you, this podcast Beyond the Placements intends to move beyond the placement, as it says, and we want to delve into your journey as an individual person. We want to find extraordinary stories within the ordinary peoples, so that this can become a medium for others to learn, to kind of charter their journey, how some of your decisions may help them to make their own. That's what the idea of this podcast is, and we'll try to explore that journey together.
Sure.
Yes.
Right. So शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. Tell us where are you from, each one of you, and describe your childhood.
So basically, I'm born in Sabarkata, Ahmednagar, but brought up in Vadodara, and I've done my schooling from Vadodara. I've changed a few schools, but yes, every time it has given me something new to learn. With that, I've completed my graduation in BCA, that is Bachelor's in Computer Applications, and currently data science from Narayana Business School. So, talking about my childhood, it has been, very. I can't explain. It is just a kind of roller coaster, we can say.
Mhm.
It was a combination of learning, exploring, experimenting. So it was nice. I have done sports. I have done activities like dancing and everything. So I guess it's a good combination. I have done Bharatanatyam as well for 3 years. So again, it has taught me the discipline. It has taught me how to take things. If you are doing a thing and how particular you should be about that thing. So
Right,
I
I
guess it is
Bharatanatyam is a dance form style where each
Yes.
step, each expression matters.
matters. Yes, it do matter. So I guess that was the best thing I think I've done in case of making my skills improving. So yes, I can. Childhood was so nice.
So were you a notorious child? Were you a calm child? What kind of
I
person?
was a combination. It was like when I'm in my classroom, I used to be the sincerest one. No one like me. But as soon as the teacher leaves the class, I was the one who was naughtiest. So
Okay.
this was it.
Doing right thing at right time.
Yes.
Okay. How are you academically? Were you a very brilliant child or brilliant kid, or were you an average, or were you a laggard? In terms of marks, obviously, I am not judging by other.
In my schooling, I was not that good in my academics. I was an average student. I've done 10th and 12th. I got 76%.
Hmm.
So I was a normal average girl. But as soon as I started my BCA, I was a university 13th rank holder and college first rank holder. So with time, I got into the field which fascinated me more. So
Okay.
I guess that was the best thing which improved my academics, because academics plus interest brings you somewhere else. So I think
Right.
that was the change for me.
Nice. Khushi, tell us about your childhood. Where do you come from?
Actually, sir, I belong from Katni, Madhya Pradesh. That is nearby to Jabalpur. Many people don't know where the Katni is.
Jabalpur, very sure.
Yeah, so Jabalpur is known. So I live nearby Jabalpur, and I have completed my schooling from there itself, my hometown Katni, Kendra
Okay.
Vidyalaya. And
Oh, you're a KV kid.
yes, so that comes at a disciplined kid maybe.
Yeah.
So yes, I have completed my schooling from there itself, and then after that I have pursued my bachelor's from Banasthali Vidyapeeth, that is in Nivai,
Okay.
Rajasthan. And after that I have come to Narayana Business School as a PGDM data science student. Talking about my childhood, I have been a disciplined kid since my parents, my father is in government employed.
So when you say disciplined kid, that early to bed and early to rise,
Yeah,
or
maybe.
like studious,
Studious, yes. Studious, discipline, everything comes on time, everything finishes on time,
or nice.
and not moving outside, more like a naughty kid or something. I haven't done anything.
Are you happy with your childhood, or
Yes, I
do you
am
want to
happy.
add some element to it, if you can, at this point of time?
No, actually, I'm very happy with my childhood. Actually, this has taught me throughout, as your journey begins with your family in itself, it teaches a lot to us, right?
Right.
Since from beginning, in childhood, I was disciplined and I was calm child.
Hmm.
So I was actually an introvert child. Since
Okay.
I don't like people talking and all, but slowly and gradually in my school, somehow my teacher somehow she found that you can do something. So I was very nervous. I cried a lot. I don't want to go. So she forced me. She literally forced me to go to the. Actually, in KV we have this. In school we have in the early morning we have to say 2 new words.
Okay.
Yeah. So in
So in the assembly you have to go and do something.
Yes. So actually, I was very nervous. I said, I can't do it. So like ma'am said, no, you have to go. When you will go, everyone is going. So I said, no, I don't want. I cried a lot, but she didn't. So that is a thing in childhood itself that forced me up. And also she used to tell my parents also that she is very like calm kind of child, and she doesn't want to like go to the stage and doesn't want to speak anything. So my parents also got worried that how will I be. So then it started. So I am now ambivert.
Okay.
Yeah. So from introvert plus extrovert. So it's been a great journey, I think.
Nice. I think we pick up unknowingly. We pick up a lot of values and behaviors, or rather, it's also habits from our parents.
Right.
I want you guys to tell one thing that you picked up from your family that is very much a part of your personality today.
I would say my family background has not that been rich background. We are normal people. So whenever I look at my father, he's like always struggling, always doing things, and I'm like कि मतलब इंसान कितना ही कर लेगा, एक टाइम पे जाके वो थक जाएगा. But no, it is not the thing. You have to keep on doing and doing and doing. Failures आएंगे, rejections आएंगे, उसके साथ success भी आएगा. But there's no point you should stop. So that is the one thing which I have learned from my parents. Not only my father, but my mother as well. She's a homemaker, but by doing that also she's into several things. She learns something new. She
She's
does
like
tiffin services. Yes.
She's constantly hustling to do
yes,
something or create
yes.
some value out of it. Okay.
So I guess this is what I learned from my parents, and today I'm here just because of that learning, I can say.
Okay. So you like to hustle each time. You do not
Yes.
want to settle.
It's like that कि कोई challenge, if there's a challenge, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं डर गई और मैंने छोड़ दिया, कोई बात नहीं, मैं दूसरा कुछ देखूंगी. नहीं, if it is challenge, ठीक है, I should accept it. Whether it's a failure or success, वो बात की बात है. At least why not to start? So I guess
Right.
this is the thing I have learned.
Interesting. What about you, Khushi?
So I think I have learned a lot from my parents.
But one thing that you want to categorically talk about.
One thing that I would love to discuss also, and that will be learning for others also. Like my parents, my father itself is in a government employee, Ministry of Defence. So the discipline comes there from that. So I have learned that, and from my mother itself, she is a like multitasker. She doesn't give up. Like if anything happens, if suddenly a lot of guests come, she is ready to I can.
Yes, she would
So
like
that's
it. And yeah.
that's the spirit, and that's the motivation that comes. Like I can also do multitasking, I maybe say, but yes, I have learned from them that I can do, and the motivation that comes from them, that it is not explainable.
For sure. For sure. Great. I think lot of learnings. I think all of us, unknowingly, we have lot of our value systems, and the way we do business, the way we talk to each other, the way we treat people comes from our families. And that's one interesting perspective, that sometimes people don't give it back to the family, that this is what I am because of you. Of course, everybody is very obliged to their parents, but I think knowingly वो चीज़ नहीं हो पाती है. Great. Now this comes the time about your 11th and 12th. लोग बोलते हैं बस 12th का एग्जाम दे दो, लाइफ सॉर्टेड है उसके बाद. तो आपने क्या किया था 12th के अंदर? 10th 12th, what was your stream of studies?
Okay, so I did my 10th and I was so confused what to do next. I was good at my mathematics, but again पता है कि physics, chemistry would be accompanying mathematics. So again confused. उस टाइम पे इतना समझ नहीं आता था कि how much important is education. So ऐसा होता था कुछ ऐसा कर लूँ कि पढ़ना ही ना पड़े, मुझे नहीं पढ़ना है ऐसा.
Okay.
But then somehow तो ऐसा होता था कि ऐसा there is a mentality I guess कि साइंस बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, कॉमर्स थोड़ा ठीक ठीक होता है, एंड आर्ट्स तो क्या ही है, सो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, इतना भी नहीं पढ़ना और बहुत कम भी नहीं पढ़ना, तो व्हाई नॉट.
सरप्राइज्ड दैट how do people say that science, arts and commerce is
Actually.
like generally मैंने ये सुना हुआ है कि लोग stream इस basis पर decide करते हैं कि science
What's
बहुत
your
tough है,
हाँ.
उसके बाद commerce आता है और
Commerce
उसके
है.
बाद
बहुत
arts आता है.
मिलता है.
I have no clue that how do you measure कि क्या tough है और
Tough
क्या
है,
सही
क्या
है.
सही.
Because I think doing an art, I mean liberal arts studies,
It's
liberal
so-
studies is
so
also not
Easy.
very easy. Similarly, commerce, I don't know. मतलब, it's I think these streams were designed for a different reason, but I
Yes.
think the choices, the
Have
way
been
choices are
different.
being done, they are originating from very
Yes.
different point of view.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah. Tell us more about it.
So ठीक है, at the last I decided चलो why not go with commerce.
Hmm.
Then started then one thing I'm grateful about is my coaching.
Okay.
I really got good teachers over there. ऐसा होता है ना कि we didn't know any subjects, हमने ऐसे ही चले गए. Now what? So making that particular subject interesting is in the hand of those teachers.
Facilitators.
So and actually they have proved themselves there. Again, I was 76 and I came to 85 in my 11th. So again, it was a great start for me. So yes, got into this, completed my 12th as well in commerce. And after completing that, in my mind, I was lacking something. I was like, kuch to missing hai. Like my dad wanted me to go for CACS and I'm like, no, CACS is not for me. I do know that this is not for me, but I don't know what is for me.
Right.
So, and starting I wanted to be a part of mass communication.
Hmm.
I researched about mass communication. I wanted to be the radio jockey. And typical Gujarati family. तो वो अलाउ नहीं करते ऐसे कि हाँ what's the security.
And how did this curiosity come of becoming a radio jockey?
Actually, it was कि since my childhood I used to listen radio so much.
Okay.
And in my schooling as well, I used to be part of every event. I used to be the narrator. I used to be the the ones standing at the podium. So that was interesting for me. I liked speaking, communicating with people. So it was just that कि I want to pursue this field ऐसा. I got into few colleges, I checked, I researched, and I was like, Dad, I want to do this only. I am into this only. And he was, as a typical Gujarati family, he didn't allow me. कि नहीं ये थोड़ी करेंगे हम लोग, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, क्या गारंटी है फ्यूचर कैसा होगा, पैसे थोड़ी मिलेंगे, पैसों की बिना थोड़ी घर चलता है. And I was like, okay, now what to say? And थोड़ा
But how as a kid did you felt about it?
I really felt so bad. I was like कि अगर if I really want to do it, why not? तो मतलब अभी I can't explain it. उससे इतना बुरा लग रहा था कि ये करना है, मुझे करने दो. I really want to follow this.
But what happens is like decision फिर भी उस point पे of course उस समय पे parents के decision
Parents,
का पलड़ा ज़्यादा भारी था.
Obviously.
So you had to listen them. But we make decisions. That was also a point where you made a decision. So I mean, you compromised and made a decision to move on, or it was something else?
It was कि I was like कुछ दिन तो रोना भी आ गया यार, मुझे मॉम डैड नहीं करने दे रहे, मुझे यही करना है. But then फिर माय डैड बोला ठीक है अगर तुझे कुछ नहीं करना चल तू बीकॉम कर ले जा. And I was like बीकॉम थोड़ी करूंगी मैं, मुझे अच्छा पढ़ना है. And then somehow my relatives got to me about BCA.
Okay.
And I again researched for that. And I was like okay, this is also not bad. I can go into this. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्ट है because we had computer in our 11th and 12th. So then I thought, why not giving it a chance? Let's go and have explore this particular field. Then okay, फिर तो सब मान गए कि ठीक है ये तो कर ही लेगी. And मतलब उस टाइम तक इतना समझ आ गया था कि पढ़ना is important. तो मार्क्स आ जाते थे, पढ़ाई कर लेती थी, तो डैड वाज लाइक कि ठीक है ये कर लेगी, इसको जाने दो, अगर पढ़ाई कर रही है तो करने दो ऐसा. And yes, then I did my BCA, I scored good. And तो अब उनको और कॉन्फिडेंस हो गया कि नहीं, she is going to good field. But still at this point of time I'm so happy with my field. But कहीं ना कहीं back of the mind है कि काश में मूवी होती.
Right.
तो now I want कि as a passion ही सही एक टाइम ऐसा होगा लाइफ में कि शायद वो भी एक्सप्लोर कर पाऊंगी. But I'm so happy with my field right now. So I completed my bachelor's in computer applications and then again a choice. Now what next?
Right.
अभी वो होता है ना एक सीक्वेंस फॉलो होती है कि MBA किया, BBA किया तो MBA करेंगे, BCom किया तो MCom करेंगे.
Yeah, because BCom से BCA जाना भी is also a shift.
Yes. So अभी commerce and BCA is particularly a science background field. BSc IT, BCA is basically a science background field. And again I'm from commerce background. So there was the colleges I was focusing majorly on was again giving me a conflict कि साइंस बैकग्राउंड नहीं है. तब लगा कि काश साइंस लिया होता मैंने.
Right.
तो अगेन वहाँ पे एक बार फील हुआ, बट आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं, अगर नहीं लिया है तो क्या, कॉमर्स के बाद अगर BCA किया तो BCA के बाद भी कुछ करूँगी मैं. देन आई वाज लाइक कि एक क्लैरिटी थी माइंड में कि यू नो BCA वाज होल कोडिंग एंड आई नेवर वांटेड टू गो फॉर होल कोडिंग. देन अगेन मेंटर्स हेल्प मी आउट कि क्या कर सकते हैं. उन्होंने कुछ फील्ड्स बताई मुझे एंड आई अगेन रिसर्च फॉर द फील्ड्स एंड दिस वाज द फील्ड, डेटा साइंस वाज द फील्ड विच रियली यू नो अट्रैक्टेड मी द मोर कि हाँ तू इधर ही आ जा ऐसा.
Right.
Then I researched for that कि क्या होता है डेटा साइंस में, कैसे डेटा साइंस वर्क करता है, how it is different from basic BCA MCA people. Then again I thought no, this is what I really want to go for.
And how did you convince your parent to get into this very new field that is just out in market a couple of years back, and in maybe their time जैसे engineering और management के लिए और इन सब चीज़ों के लिए काफ़ी ready होते हैं parents. They were ready for data science as a field of study, or was it your some now at this point of time, how was the decision?
It was
it your decision? Was it influenced?
No, it was purely my decision. It was as such कि BCA खत्म हो गया and I just told my father कि पापा BCA हो गया, now I want to go for data science. It is like क्यों data science, तू भी MCA कर ले, अब तो MCA करेगी. And I'm like नहीं डैड, इस बार मैं डेटा साइंस करना है मुझे. एंड इज लाइक ये क्या होता है. ऑब्वियसली ही इज नॉट इनटू दिस थिंग्स. तो आई टोल्ड कि डैडी अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है, यू गो इनटू मार्केट एंड आस्क पीपल, इफ यू रियली थिंक आई एम नॉट मेकिंग गुड डिसीजन, डू दैट, बट मेक श्योर आई एम टेकिंग गुड डिसीजन. एंड आई रियली वांट कि दिस टाइम मेरा डिसीजन वर्क करे ऐसे. एंड ही ऑल्सो यू नो he researched, he also did this for me and finally he was convinced and he was like एक वो श्योरिटी आ गई थी कि उसको मैंने BCA करने के लिए भेजा, उसने प्रूव किया अपने आप को. तो आई गेस अब ये खुद का डिसीजन
now is the time when you have gained some trust through your actions.
Yes. So dad was like नहीं इस बार ठीक है, why not she, अभी तो आगे जाके उसको डिसीजन लेना ही है, तो why not from now. And he was like okay, go for it. Now again came a question mark कि कहाँ करेंगे. And Baroda didn't had that time कि जो data science कराती है. So again it was a big question and he didn't wanted me to go out of Baroda. So वो चैलेंज आ गया था उस टाइम पे. कोर्स वाज नॉट द चैलेंज, लोकेशन
became a challenge. Yeah.
ऐसा आता है. अगेन माय मेंटर हेल्प मी अ लॉट. दे आल्सो हैड अ वर्ड विद माय पेरेंट्स कि व्हाई अलाउ हर, एटलीस्ट ज़्यादा दूर नहीं तो गुजरात में ही भेज दो. एंड देन आई एम हियर नाउ.
Lovely. We are good. We are happy to have you here.
आई एम हैप्पी.
Great. We'll continue this journey with you, Khushi Pratyani. Tell us about your graduation. How did you make your choice to do the graduation that you want to do?
So actually, during my schooling, that is 11th, 12th, I chose commerce stream. Actually, earlier also 10, I scored good, like I think 9 CGPA I scored. It was a good amount. Like the parents were happy, and so then it was a confusion for me also. Like I was supposed to be in biology or something. I must be doing MBA or something. My parents were like that.
Okay.
But as I belong to Katni, there was not much resources available. Like how will I manage the coaching, etc. and everything. So that is something like that parents also thought कि कैसे करेगी, ना कोचिंग है ना कुछ है, कैसे कहाँ जाएगी, ना फ्रेंड्स हैं ऐसे कि कहीं भी आप चले जाओ ऐसा. तो आई सेड कि what to do now. तो like I switched my stream to commerce then. So commerce, I completed my schooling from KV itself. Then after again that question कि अब कहाँ जाएगी. हो गया 12th हो गया, अब क्या करना है.
कॉमर्स में so we'll talk little more about this. So commerce के टाइम में how did you spend your time, like was it full time college?
Yes.
And then what are other activities that you used to do?
So other activities, if I talk about, I was much involved in the tech thing.
Okay.
Like I choose.
And how?
Like it during my 11th 12th I chose that is IT itself. In that there was a subject IT as a in that I learned MySQL there. So that is back in my 11th 12th, so I was very excited. I used to spend a lot time in doing this thing. MySQL like give me a thing that I can do something, queries and all में मेरे को मजा आता था.
अच्छा.
तो फ्री टाइम में I mostly used to study और ऐसे ही फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ के कुछ भी discussion, not much
And
involved in sports or something.
how did this tech thing, a small girl from Katni, which has limited resources, all of a
Yes.
sudden gets her interest into tech
Yes.
and MySQL, which I think would not be very common conversation there.
No, actually,
How
it
did that
was-
happen?
Actually, so during my schooling itself, there were streams like Hindi, and I can pursue IT, and there
Okay.
was one more stream I can pursue. So
Right.
I said I don't want to go Hindi or सब मेरे को tech में कोई हिंदी नहीं पसंद ऐसे. तो what to do then? तो मैंने बोला कि let's give a try. IT में I can do, and the mentor was quite good.
Okay.
So faculty was good there. So I thought ki I discussed with them, sir, what will be there in this? Like it will be very difficult or what?
Right.
नहीं, तुम you will gradually like it. You will love it. So I used to मेरा interest वहाँ से ही आ गया कि I can do something. And धीरे धीरे ऐसा हुआ कि सर क्वेश्चन देते थे and we used to solve that, and like queries आ गई तो इतनी खुशी होती थी कि अरे I
You're
can
able to
do it.
solve it, right?
So in 11 12 that was the thing. Schooling complete हो गया, then also this question came as Dharmi mentioned that किधर जाना है, as I'm an only girl, like only child in my family, like
Yeah. So as compared to boys, girls have this additional baggage of convincing. Beyond what you want to do, you have to also convince them about the
I
locations.
don't think so. I haven't convinced my parents. My parents convinced me to pursue
Oh,
things.
So your case is quite different.
Very
Okay.
lucky enough, my parents are
That's
quite
very good. Yeah.
and encouragement is there, something like they always pushed me कि हाँ तू जा. Like I was, as I told कि मैं introvert थी बहुत, तो
हाँ.
they also wanted कि हाँ थोड़ा तू engage कर लोगों के साथ, पता कैसे चलेगा तू बाहर जाके हम कैसे रहेंगे.
जब तक right. तो
You-
वो बाहर की दुनिया जो
दुनिया तू
दिखना
तो देख ही नहीं
yeah.
पाएगी, तू तो रोती ही रहेगी बस. मैं बोला नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. देन दिस क्वेश्चन केम कि क्या परस्यू करना है 12th के बाद अब. देन दिस पापा सर्च अलॉट. मैं तो बहुत मतलब इतना मेरे को भी आइडिया नहीं था क्या करूँ क्या नहीं, मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. तो माय पापा इज इन लाइक
Such
वो
a
बहुत
nice thing.
जल्दी लाइक पापा का ये बहुत अच्छा है कि ही इज़ अ क्विक like researcher or something, or quick grasper of things.
Okay.
तो like he search की BBA करते हैं, and ये एक जगह है बनस्थली विद्यापीठ. Like it's a good place to live and everything. Like they were also looking for safety purpose and everything.
So you had a boarding there and stayed there in the campus
Yes,
only. and
actually yes. They have inbuilt in campus.
then accommodations.
And
Yes.
yeah, there I think 25,000 girls live from starting from 6th class to the PhD. People do a lot. Like
That was the first time that you moved out of your house.
yes, the first
Stayed.
time.
Okay.
Yes.
What was your encounter rather? What was the first fear that you overcame there?
The fear was that I used to cry a lot. Like
Okay.
it was like moving out of your comfort zone. It was not easy for me. Like parents say most pampered child in the family, single girl child, और पूरा pampering से सीधा अलग हो गई. तो it was very difficult for me.
Yeah,
In
I
the
can
starting few
understand.
months, I was struggling to settle down with the people also. Like in my roommates, or like I was struggling a lot. Then
What
I used to, yes, then I used to talk to people, where you come from. अरे मैं भी यहीं से हूँ. Then I don't know कि कटनी से भी मुझे लोग मिलेंगे वहाँ पे. I was like
अच्छा.
कि हाँ कि कोई नहीं मिलेगा अब तो मैं कैसे करूँगी, कोई मेरे जान पहचान की नहीं है. So like it was that कि हाँ somehow I got, and like I pursued my BBA there, and it gave me a lot. Like business acumen वहीं से आया कि like how things work. And also the Banasali Vidyapeeth in campus is too good that you learn a lot. Seeing
Right.
people, like people are doing very like a lot of things that I don't know. So
Right.
like it was a good exposure for me.
So tell us one thing that has stayed with you from that point of time. That is very much your characteristic today.
I think one thing I would say that will be mm, moving from introvert to extrovert person, like ambivert person.
Right.
That helped me a lot. Like I don't like to speak with people. I was very reserved person, as I told. तो मेरे को पसंद नहीं आता था. But धीरे धीरे I used to work कि अब रहना तो बाहर है, अब बात नहीं करूँगी तो कैसे होगा?
Right.
And also you have to speak with the faculties also. You need to, and also वैसे
So I
ही
think
speaking
learning
skills.
communication is doing by doing communication.
Right.
You cannot.
Right, you
Just
can't
learn.
live without communicating. You can't sit alone. हाँ phone चला रहे हो. It's not
Right.
easy. It's not easy कि हाँ आप phone चला रहे हो बस phone चला रहे हो. It's not.
Hmm.
So like that is a thing that
Okay.
helped me to build throughout. कि communication is important. Without that we can't.
Right. So during BB also, were you in touch with about the technology part of it, because you liked
Yes.
it during your schooling days?
In my BBA, I was like actually somehow COVID came, and
Okay.
only 8 months I lived there. Then I moved back to my home. So it was like I was joining the online classes only, but I joined throughout the online classes. I love to like do the things online and everything.
So how were
So-
you as an online kid?
It was
Were you attentive?
Yes, very attentive.
Were you using it for
Actually,
hack?
that helped me a lot to learn the courses that are currently available online. During my
Right.
bachelor itself, I learned a lot. Like the BBA was a very good exposure for me. Like I learned a lot during itself. Online also, like online था, but I doesn't feel like कि नहीं यार वो एक
There was
मजा
a
नहीं आ रहा.
constant engagement
हाँ,
था, कुछ सीख रहे थे आप, right?
Yes, and during the also we were involved in the activities like जो भी projects मिल रहे हैं या presentations करनी है, so we were involved in that and we have to like present something or something, तो वहाँ से वो एक आ जाता है, तो it
Right.
was good.
Nice. And how did you eventually take up this decision of getting into PGDM in data science?
So like it was a tough decision for me. Like BBA के बाद सबने बोला MBA कर. I
Right.
was confused कि MBA करूँ कि अब तो नया आ गया, PGDM आ गया. What's PGDM? Let's search. अब इस बार खुद ही सर्च किया पूरा, क्योंकि पापा is not into अब कि अब तू सर्च कर, तू पता कर, तुझे जो पसंद आए बता, ठीक है,
Right.
डन. तो MBA वर्सेस PGDM का वो चल रहा था, बैटल चल रहा था कि क्या लेना है.
Right.
एट लास्ट ऑल्सो मेंटर्स से पूछा, जो भी जिससे भी नोन में हूँ उनसे पूछा. एंड आफ्टर माई BBA ऑल्सो, ड्यूरिंग माई BBA completion also, I have like as a work experience as IT recruiter also.
Okay.
So I moved to Noida itself.
After completing your BBA,
Yes.
you moved to Noida to
Yes.
do into recruitments, to
Yes.
work into recruitments.
Yes, so I was involved in that. So that also gave me a like plus point for me. I was involved in tech thing. Again IT. So I was calling people for data scientists, for data analysts, for BI analysts. So
Okay.
yeah. So I used to talk to people. That is something. The communication skills worked out. My manager like praised me a lot. Like they were not ki when I was leaving after this job, for as I told them ki ma'am, I want to pursue now the further studies for MBA. I have to go. So they were like, no, how can we, like you are a good candidate. How
Right.
will we manage? So like this is how like something I have learned a lot. Like then for pursuing PGDM, it was like I searched, and then I spoke to counselor itself, like here in NBS also. So
Right.
she said, if you don't want to go for like any future is not in foreign country, etc., you can pursue. This is a similar kind of thing as MBA itself.
Yeah. A lot of students have this query about
Yes.
the PGDM and MBA. Yeah.
Yes, so like I said okay. Then I was confused ki data science mein how can I'm totally non-tech background. I don't have that. In schooling time it was theek hai, and then also like most of the thing like Excel and everything I used to work, but not particularly Python coding etc. I've
Right.
not been explored anything. So it was very like पापा भी बोले कि खुशी this is tough हाँ. तो बोला पापा अब तो मत बोलो, अब तो जाने वाली हूँ, अब तो मत बोलो I have taken admission. तो he said कि अरे कर लेगी, हमें भी पता तू कर लेगी, बट स्टिल वो एक था कि बिल्कुल नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड से आप थोड़ा सा टेक में आ रहे हो तो दे ऑल्सो गॉट वरीड कि यार कैसे करेगी, विल शी स्ट्रगल अ लॉट. और यहाँ भी आई तो इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रगलिंग. इधर पे भी लाइक यू गॉट अ वैरायटी ऑफ पीपल यू मीट एंड दे आर फ्रॉम टेक बैकग्राउंड. लाइक as mentioned by Dharmi, she's from BCA, so she
Right.
knows what is in
Comparatively the
that.
jargons and other
Right.
things, the tools should be
Right.
more having an exposure to those
Right.
tools.
So during my first RISEM, Tushar sir was there. So he mentored it very well. That I was the person who topped in the whole college.
Wow.
So that's how my journey is from like a commerce student to
So I see that you are a quick learner
Right.
that way for sure. You are also someone who likes to push the boundaries
Right.
and try new things.
Yes.
I think up until the graduations, post graduations,
Right.
we constantly try to figure out what is going to work for us, what is not going to
Right.
work for us. Now, fortunately, the new education policy allows a lot of freedom to switch from one domain to another domain of studies. But I think people, and this was so natural to a lot of people, like some of you have mentioned. I think this has been the inspiration. This would have been the inspiration to the government also to kind of bring such kind of policies, because that's how we humans are. हमने बनाया है ये specializations,
Right.
but as humans, like finance, marketing, these are good enough to diversify departments and businesses. But as humans, not necessary that we are fit for one thing only.
Right.
And that's a discovery that we do over a period of time. So I think a lot of people have been taking plunges and doing something exceptional out of this. Now let's talk about your journey at NBS. You are already a part of this program, which is fairly a new program. Tell us about your experiences with different stakeholders and the whole journey. Do you think that this has transformed you?
Okay, so talking about MBS, I would say it has transformed me like anything. When I was stepping here, I was like, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. I really can't do anything. ठीक है, वहाँ जाके थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ के वापस आ जाऊँगी, यही होने वाला है. I was not that confident. I was not that कि I can do anything what I want. So it was missing, and I didn't know कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए. But somehow it was there. But again, stepped here, first sem, second sem, मतलब एक एक करते चीजें आती गई. And main I would say कि I'm so grateful to faculties. It's just that कि ऐसा नहीं है कि एक student बैठा है वो बैठा ही रह गया क्लास में. They were the ones who used to कि तुझे करना पड़ेगा, तुझे करना ही है. There's no option for you. So again, pushing us was again a good thing which helped us a lot.
Right.
Again, फिर वहाँ से थोड़ा confident आने लगा. एक बार आके presentation दिया तो we got कि नहीं मुझे आता तो है, I can.
Positive reinforcement helps.
Yes. And again, ठीक है, एक बार presentation दिया, दूसरी बार, तो तीसरी बार I was like, आप बोलो तब दे देंगे. Now we
अब वो
are-
confidence आ गया कि I can slay it now.
I can slay, yes. Then again, we had our elections as well. Again, मतलब ऐसा माइंड में कहीं नहीं था. वो जेनेसिस में देखा था कि अच्छा प्रेसिडेंट्स होते हैं, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट्स होते हैं, बट आई वाज लाइक कि क्या ही होगा, नहीं मैं वहाँ तक जा ही नहीं सकती. एंड आई वुड थैंक माय क्लासमेट्स, उन्होंने बहुत पुश किया मुझे कि धर्म में ट्राई तो कर, नहीं चाहिए तो क्या होगा, क्लास में ही बैठेगी ना, प्लीज ट्राई कर. एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार मैं हार जाऊंगी, सब हंसेंगे, नो आई कांट अफोर्ड दैट.
Actually, we were overconfident कि यही जीतेंगे.
And I was the underconfident kid कि मैं नहीं जीतने वाली. And it happened to be कि चलो ठीक है स्टार्ट करते हैं. And gradually होते होते I was like मतलब जिस दिन इलेक्शन के रिजल्ट्स आए ना I was shocked. ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं बस रो दूंगी and I cried.
Right.
But I would say not only faculties but yes, even the students, not only my classmate but दूसरे क्लास के students as well. उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया है. हमें लगता है कि हम जाएंगे तो कंपटीशन बढ़ने वाला है. मेरे क्लास में अगर मेरे साथ खुशी बैठी है तो वी आर कॉम्पिटिटर्स, कहीं ना कहीं वी आर कॉम्पिटिंग, बट इट वाज नॉट द सिनेरियो हियर. यहाँ ऐसा था कि वी आर पुशिंग ईच अदर, जा तू कर लेगी,
क्योंकि एक
Right.
दूसरे की स्ट्रेंथ्स पता है तो
And
we
yeah,
push a
that's what I
lot.
was curious. What do you think that why do you think are there a lot of, when there is a competition, why are a lot of people supporting you?
you know it is like I would say कि see अगर हम लोग एक साथ रह रहे इतने टाइम से, I know कि अगर खुशी ये पर्टिकुलर चीज में जाएगी ना वो बहुत अच्छा करेगी, जहाँ शायद मैं अच्छा नहीं कर पाऊंगी. तो आई एम लाइक कि भाई खुशी तू ये कर, तुझे ये करना चाहिए, तू यहाँ ही अच्छी है. मुझे पता है मैं वहाँ अच्छी नहीं हूँ, तो why should I go there?
Yeah.
That's your chance, you go and have it. तो वो एक अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग यहाँ लोगों में है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट यू नो वो बोलते हैं ना एक अंदर से अच्छा वाइब देना, एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना, that is there at NBS.
Right.
Starting from faculty, students, even I will say the ground staff people also, they are so corporate. मतलब तुम उनके साथ जाओ, उनके साथ बात करो, you will feel good. तो आई थिंक यहाँ की हर एक चीज़ ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिखाया है, नॉट ओनली वन, हर एक चीज़ ने सिखाया है. तो दिस जर्नी वॉज रियली इनक्रेडिबल, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अ किड जिसको शायद ही कोई जानता होगा. Even at that time it was कि क्लास में पता नहीं अच्छा धार्मी है, you know, then at this point of time everyone knows me.
Everyone knows you.
So this was a great transformation for me. तब से confidence अच्छा होने लगा है, communication अच्छा होने लगा है ना. वो एक डर रहता है ना कि किसी इंसान से पहली बार जाके बात करनी है, अब कैसे करेंगे. तो you know you need these skills in your corporate life. तो I guess this was
Right.
a beautiful transformation I would say. कि मतलब ऐसा बोल सकती हूँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा मैं यहाँ आई थी वो धार में अलग थी और यहाँ से जाएगी
वो
पूरी
जो अलग होगी.
The input was different, the processing has been, the output is quite different.
Yes, it is so different.
Right.
So I'm so grateful at really being here at NBS. Obviously, Purvi ma'am, I would say she supported me a lot. She used to push me, तू कर लेगी, मुझे पता है तू करेगी. We
Right.
should do that. Even you, I would say, you know, in every meeting I was like, अभी सर डांटेंगे, अभी सर डांटेंगे. But then at the end, it motivated me.
True.
कि you know एक I am the person जिसको अगर थोड़ा सा pressure मिल गया ना तो वो काम करने लगती हूँ.
Right.
So I think that helped me a lot. So this journey was like मतलब कहीं भी जाऊंगी ना मैं NBS को नहीं भूलने वाली.
So do we. You've been President Culture. You are a President Culture. You have been VP Culture earlier, and I think the culture that we preserve year after year through our student council is something also. As you already have experienced that NBS has been more pro of student-driven approach, and when students ensure that culture has been passed on to each class. That's something I think is a legacy that has been built, and that is purely because of the students that has been there. So all good memories about that, and from a girl who has been to Vadodara not wanting to move out to coming to Ahmedabad, and now directly going to Mumbai. And this is for sure a journey that is going that is coming up with a lot of challenges, but also has a potential to transform at each stage. We wish the best in that journey.
And this time it was कि मुझे अब डैडी को नहीं मनाना पड़ा. पहले था ना कि पापा सिर्फ अहमदाबाद ही जाना है, 2 घंटे दूर जाना है.
Right.
अब मुझे मुंबई जाना है, पर मुझे पापा को नहीं बोलना पड़ा, पापा मुझे मुंबई जाना है.
He's also more confident of you.
He's like कि नहीं तू अच्छा कर रही है, तू और ग्रो करेगी, अब
Right.
तुझे जाना ही चाहिए. And he knew कि I was into this company, मुझे ये कंपनी चाहिए थी. अपनी मैम बोला मैम प्लीज ट्राई करना, मैम प्लीज ट्राई करना. I really wanted this and it happened. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंट आ गया कि इसको चाहिए तो वो लेके रहे.
एक इंटरव्यू से भी पहले we were discussing यार हम लोग का हो गया ना, हम साथ में रहेंगे. Actually we were manifesting something. So somehow we are together.
Yeah. So you have already brought my next conversation into the picture. Is what I want to talk about your interview experience with L&D. Tell us more about it. How was it? How was the journey? Because वो अपने आप में ही एक roller coaster ride होती है within the process that you go through. Tell us about that.
इट वाज आई वुड से कि मतलब यूजुअली मैंने लोगों को ऐसा कहते हुए सुना है कि तुम जो कॉलेज में सीखते हो और जो इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे ना वो डिफरेंट होता है, ठीक है. एंड आई वुड से एक जस्ट मिल गया उसका कि यू नो हाउ द थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज जो तुम सीख रहे हो उसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है कंपनी में जाके, वो एक आइडिया मिल गया. इट वाज अ इंटरव्यू बट एक स्ट्रेसफुल इंटरव्यू भी था ऑब्वियसली. अगर CIO आके यू आर इज टेकिंग योर इंटरव्यू इट वुड बी अ स्ट्रेसफुल इंटरव्यू. बट अगेन ही वाज सो कोऑपरेटिव. ही वाज नॉट कि अगर आंसर नहीं दिया तो वो आपको जज कर रहे हैं या आपको बोल रहे हैं कि क्यों नहीं आता, इतना तो आना चाहिए. नो.
So you can also maybe tell us the steps that what were the steps involved in the whole interview. How was the shortlisting process?
So it started by CV shortlisting, and then we had the second round, that was a technical interview. So we had two of their employees, Kunal sir and Jigar sir. They were the part of that particular IT team. So he took our interviews and that were proper technical interviews. So I was so stressed कि मतलब I know कि मुझे आता है, but अगर वहाँ नहीं बोल पाई तो क्या होगा.
और इसका इंटरव्यू सबसे पहले था.
तो
we were like
सबसे पहले जाके बैठना है, ऊपर से ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू. इफ इट वुड बी फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू तो थोड़ा होता कि चलो इंसान बैठा है, आई विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट टॉकिंग टू दैट पर्सन. बट अगेन इट इज ऑनलाइन एंड पता है कि मैं पूरी दिखने भी नहीं वाली उनको. तो अगेन उनको ऐसी चीजें बताना, उनको ऐसे बताना कि उनको समझ आए कि मुझे सब पता है, आई नो एवरीथिंग. दैट वाज अगेन अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. तो इट स्टार्टेड विद इंट्रोडक्शन तो दे दिया अच्छे से. नाउ कमिंग टू योर एकेडमिक्स. तो ये स्टार्टेड मतलब पूरा का पूरा इंटरव्यू वाज बेस्ड ऑन अवर सीरीज. जो हमने जैसे जैसे मेंशन किया है इट वाज दैट वेज एंड इट स्पोक ऑब्वियसली मोर अबाउट पाइथन, मशीन लर्निंग एंड एवरीथिंग. तो उनके हर क्वेश्चन उसी पे थे. अभी ऐसा नहीं कि चलो बताओ ये एल्गोरिथम क्या बोलता है, नहीं. उनको ये जानना था कि एल्गोरिथम तो आपको पता ही होगा, बट अगर वो एल्गोरिथम तो कहाँ यूज करना है वो अगर आपको नहीं पता देन अगेन अ प्रॉब्लम. तो उनके क्वेश्चंस वैसे थे कि अगेन वी आर अ रियलिटी कंपनी, so we have data of customers, we have data of buildings and everything. तो what would you work on that? कि अगर मैंने आपको बोला कि कोई AI ML मॉडल डाल दो तो आप क्या डालोगे? अगर मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए तो अगेन वी हैव अ नेव बायस मॉडल जो सिर्फ प्रोबेबिलिटी पे काम करता है. तो मुझे ये पता होना चाहिए कि जब प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए तो ये मॉडल यूज होगा, तब मैं कोई और मॉडल लगा ही नहीं सकती. तो दे वर चेकिंग कि आप कितने फिट हो, नॉट इन द सेंस ऑफ योर एकेडमिक्स बट इन द सेंस ऑफ मार्केट. कि अगर आपको बेसिक नॉलेज से मार्केट में लेके जाए तो आप कैसे
एप्लीकेशन पता होना चाहिए.
तो एवरी क्वेश्चन दे आस्क्ड वाज एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. तो एक पर्सपेक्टिव हमें भी मिला कि अभी तक हम लोग सिर्फ कोडिंग करने के लिए कोडिंग कर रहे थे, बट अब समझ आया कि रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस कैसे काम करती है. तो अगर हम वहां जा रहे हैं तो अब हमें कैसे काम करना है. तो बोलते ना कि अभी से एक माइंडसेट क्रिएट होने लगा है कि एल्गोरिथम सीख लिए, अब इम्प्लीमेंटेशन सीखना है. तो वो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ वो पर्टिकुलर इंटरव्यू से सीख रहे मिली. इवन आई वुड से वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली थे. दे वर नाइस टू अस. ऐसा भी नहीं कि चिल्ला के बोल रहे हैं, नो. दे वर नाइस. तो इट शोज कि अगर अच्छी पोजीशन पे होने के बाद अगर इंसान इतना काम रह सकता है, इट इज ऑल अप टू अस. हाँ. सो दैट वाज नाइस. एंड देन द लास्ट राउंड वाज the CIO round where we had Tushar sir. He was the chief information officer there. So again it was a so stressful. It happened to be an HR interview, but it suddenly changed into the CIO round, and I was again the first one to go there. So again थोड़ा टेंशन होने लगा कि अब क्या होगा, सर आ रहा है, अब तुम क्या ही पूछ लेंगे. टेक्निकल तो हो गया ना, अब क्या ऐसा. Then he came, he wished, he greeted us. बीच में अगर उनको क्यूरियोसिटी है तो वो और भी चीज़ें पूछ रहे हैं. देन हर पॉइंट पे दे यूज्ड टू अप्रिशिएट कि दिस वाज द गुड आंसर, वी लाइक्ड इट एंड एवरीथिंग. तो मतलब वो और मोटिवेट करते हैं कि आप और उनको बताओ,
राइट.
और वो उतना ही ज़्यादा तुम्हारे बारे में जान पाएंगे. इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ कम्युनिकेशन देन बीइंग अ इंटरव्यू. तो दे कैन जज, नॉलेज तो जज हो ही जाएगा, बट विद दैट दे कैन जज हाउ यू विल बिहेव. वो इतनी बड़ी इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए यू आर फिट और नॉट, तो वो जानना इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट वन. आई गेस दैट वाज अ थिंग दे वर जजिंग इन अस. एंड बट ओवरऑल द एक्सपीरियंस वाज सो नाइस. अगेन इट गिव अ जस्ट कि हमें क्या काम करना है, कैसे काम करना है, अभी तक जो किया और आगे जो करना है उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है. तो इट वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग इंटरव्यू.
नाइस. I remember Zakir Khan's one of a reel where he says कि काम 19 होगा चलेगा, आदमी 20 होना चाहिए.
Yes.
So
Right.
I think through these conversations, companies more focus is to understand you as a person, rather than everybody has a learning and development module. Everybody teaches. What people are expecting is, are you open to learn?
Yes.
Are you open to unlearn? How are you as a person with your value systems? All of that thing I think matters a lot in today's time.
I think in every organization, whether any industry, it matters how people are there into their organization. They also don't want कि यार बार हमें hiring करनी पड़े. So
True.
I think they are
Yes.
hiring for someone जो culture fit हो जाए एक बार, या set हो जाए तो यार it will
Even our
it will be
HR
good.
had a statement कि अगर नॉलेज थोड़ा कम होगा तो हम सिखा देंगे, हम
certainly.
ट्रेन कर देंगे, बट
Right.
अगर वो सीखने के लिए रेडी नहीं हो तो हम सिखाएंगे कैसे?
Correct.
तो HR को भी वैसा ही चाहिए था और उन्होंने ऐसा ही बोला था हमें भी. तो
Right.
it was
Right.
yes.
Right. Great that you had a learning experience even during your interview. I think such people on the interviewer side makes a lot of difference. As I said, I think all of you are mentioning about your choices. I think most of them come from the fact that you had a good mentor in that field.
Yes.
Right.
Actually.
है ना, हमें मैथ्स पसंद होती है तो मैथ्स की फैकल्टी ने अच्छे से मैथ्स पढ़ाई होती है, नहीं पसंद होती तो वो भी इसी वजह से होती है. सो साइंसेस पसंद थे बिकॉज मेरे फैकल्टी अच्छे थे, व्हाटएवर इट इज.
Right.
So you mentioned that you liked IT because you had a
Good
faculty
mentor.
who was good faculty, teaching about that. So yeah, I think similarly in corporate, if you are able to get a good mentor, I think it's equally a blessing. Yeah. So we'll move to you, Khushi, to understand how your journey was. You have already mentioned that you had overcome
Yes.
your introvert behavior during your BBA time.
Right.
But that's not enough to survive in this world.
Correct.
What all have you learned and how was your experience during these 2 years?
So when I came to NBS, it was very like मैं बहुत nervous थी, as again new people, new place, getting out of your comfort zone. घर से ही आ रही हूँ क्योंकि so it was difficult for me in the starting phase when I used to sit with my friends. They were all in PGDM dual or MBA people. I used to meet.
Because that's the
The-
majority,
हाँ,
and you
So
see
like
that.
I used to sit with them and I said I have taken data science. What? Data science? Yes, I have taken data science. तेरा कोई friend तो नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ. So
Right.
I was very nervous. Starting में Genesis में I literally feel like कि मेरे को ना I think shift कर लेना चाहिए.
Right.
Dual में चली जाती हूँ शायद.
doubt आना शुरू हो जाता है.
हाँ, डाउट आना, अरे तेरा मैंने कहा यार मैं डेटा साइंस में हूँ, कोई भी नहीं. एंड लिटरली थ्रू आउट माई जेनेसिस नो वन मीट. एंड व्हेन टीम बिल्डिंग स्टार्टेड, लाइक आई मेट धामी, सपना एंड एवरीवन.
Just to add a point, it was कि हमने सबसे पहले फ्रेंड्स हम लोग बने थे, इंटर्नशिप हमने साथ में की है और अब प्लेसमेंट भी हमारा साथ में
साथ
हुआ
में
है.
हुआ है.
Such a nice thing.
It's
You were-
like कि
You had
she was
you were destined to become friends
हाँ.
and colleagues too.
Right. So I think it's a blessing or something, क्योंकि like team building activity हुई थी NBS में after Genesis, तो we used to interact, we got exchange our number, और team building activity में भी ये मेरी team में साथ में थी. So
Okay.
I was very impressed by her, like the way she was. Actually, there was a typing test, so she got it the first, I think. So like then I was very impressed by her. यार ये बहुत sincere सी है यार, इसके साथ तो friendship करूँगी मैं.
Pure learning, pure pressure और pure learning दोनों बहुत अच्छा काम
Right.
करती है.
So like I used to फिर interact धीरे धीरे. I used to go, फिर सपना मिली and everyone I धीरे धीरे I got यार, I felt कि हाँ data science में है लोग.
Hello. Right.
So it was like that. फिर धीरे धीरे जैसे ही ट्राइसेम 1 स्टार्ट हुआ, धीरे धीरे लर्निंग्स, फिर मोटिवेशन, फैकल्टीज का सपोर्ट. लाइक मैं बहुत नर्वस थी, एज आई एम नॉन टेकी पर्सन. आई वाज वेरी नर्वस कि यार कोडिंग तो मेरे से, और स्टार्टिंग में ही पाइथन एसक्यूएल सब था. एसक्यूएल के लिए आई वाज रेडी कि हाँ ठीक है चलो वो थोड़ा बहुत
This
आता है
sounds familiar.
हाँ, और थोड़ा बहुत लाइक एक फैकल्टी का भी एक लाइक as I said कि तुषार sir like made it very smooth for us,
Hmm.
like really smooth. वो Python और SQL वो बहुत memorable रहेगा मेरे लिए.
Right.
तो like नॉन टेक से टेक में आना it is difficult. You need to work a lot.
But
I think-
how also the program has been designed, it's not purely just
Right.
as she mentioned that program is not purely designed for
tech
for tech completely and especially the coding background.
I think, anyone
It's-
can pursue this. Anyone.
Yeah, so from a perspective that that today's world is all about data.
Right.
Data is the new oil, people say, and when you don't know how to handle oil, it will create catastrophic event.
Right.
So I think we need more people who can understand the language of data and interpret that data.
Like every faculty here supported us a lot. Like struggle हो रहा था starting में. I was used to struggle. और इनसे पूछो, I used to get top of the result and I was surprised. और ये लोग मेरे को congratulate करते हैं, अरे तू तो first आई है. और like it feels me very bad कि हाँ मतलब मैं एक मतलब नॉन टेक होके सब कुछ करके and I am scoring. and जब फर्स्ट का रिजल्ट आया था, I was in the whole college, I was the first. So I felt very proud कि yes Khushi, you can do something very big. I think you are a quick grasper of things easily.
Yes.
You can learn. And during my internship also, like I used to get things easily. और धीरे धीरे डेटा को समझना, like getting into that data field. And then also the internship was extended for a few months for me. So
how has internship helped in this?
it was in the same domain, domain in the sense in data science itself, but it was in the pharma thing, that
Right.
is in clinical trials. It is a
Okay.
new thing that is happening around, and Indian products are not available for EDC. I worked for EDC product, that is
Okay.
electronic data capture for their clinical trials.
Okay.
So they were facing issues in that. So we somehow tried to clean up the mess data, and then we created dashboards on that, and we presented them. Continuous interacting with clients. It was a new exposure. I think we learned a lot at Infividya. They supported us throughout. कि कोई भी problem है, you come and what's the doubt you are having, how can we help, how if you want any mentorship or something in any of the courses or something, we can help you, we can guide you. So they were like, it's a good exposure. I think it's also not in the domain that I have.
Right.
बिल्कुल different.
Yes.
फिर से different field में I was in clinical trial, so I was not aware. data को समझने में time लग गया. It was not
So
easy.
I think that
but
also brings, when you are experimental, you also
right,
very adaptable at
right,
the same time.
we also
uh,
got to know research is
Yes.
important in data thing.
It was
Right.
कि you know what was the plus point was कि हम हमारा काम तो कर ही रहे हैं,
Right.
डेटा ले रहे हैं, क्लीन कर रहे हैं, डैशबोर्ड बना रहे हैं. बट व्हाट प्लस पॉइंट वाज कि हमें क्लाइंट से पहले तो इंटरेक्ट करना मिल रहा है. वी विजिटेड दैट कंपनी, वी हैड अ वर्ड विद द फाउंडर एज वेल. उनसे बातचीत की, उन्होंने हमसे बातचीत की, एंड यू नो उन्होंने लिटरली उनके जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं उनको हमारे साथ बिठा दिया था कि पूछ लो जो पूछ रहे हैं तुम्हें.
अच्छा.
हमें एक और मौका मिल गया था उसमें कि जैसे इसने बताया कि EDC आर द सॉफ्टवेयर जो अभी इंडिया में कभी बने ही नहीं है, और अगर जो बने हुए सॉफ्टवेयर हैं वो वहाँ के हिसाब से चल रहे हैं, US के हिसाब से चल रहे हैं. तो अगेन इट इज़ क्रिएटिंग अ प्रॉब्लम हियर, क्योंकि हर ट्रायल का एक अलग एनवायरनमेंट होता है और इंडियन ट्रायल्स का एक अलग एनवायरनमेंट होता है. तो वो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कोई डिवाइसेस नहीं थे, तो कोई सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं थे. तो यू नो दे वांटेड अस कि आप ये तो करो, आपका काम तो करो, बट प्लीज़ ट्राई कि आप हमारे लिए पूरा प्रोसेस ऑटोमेट कर दो. कि अभी ऐसा हो रहा है कि अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट आ रहा है ट्रायल के लिए तो दे यूज़ पेन एंड पेपर, पूरा ट्रेडिशनल काम चल रहा है. तो दे वांटेड कि व्हाई नॉट टेकिंग दिस प्रोसेस पूरा डिजिटलाइज कर दे उसको, तो डेटा इजीली हमें मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. ऐसा तो एक वो बहुत अच्छा चांस
I
मिल
think
गया.
Excel पे they were working.
Exactly
Right.
how it should work for this kind of program, and
Right.
people that we are not just the one who can put some formulas, do some modelings on the
Yes.
system,
Right.
but we are also capable of dealing with business operations, streamlining businesses, so that the decisions that we make are more impactful. So I think that's a very classic example of how your data driven decision making along with business acumen
Yes.
Right.
can be put into play, and create something as a different personality that
Right.
you can go out and create a value in the market.
Right.
And actually, this is the beauty of a startup.
Right.
When you enter into a startup, you get
Yeah.
a good exposure, not only in your field, but आजू-बाजू की भी चीजें सीखने
सब
मिल रही है.
सीखोगे. आप फ्रंट एंड
Yes.
में भी काम कर रहे हो, अब आप हो
Back-end,
बैक एंड के,
yes.
बट आप काम फ्रंट एंड का भी देख रहे हो कि हाउ दे आर आल्सो वर्किंग, हाउ द
Contrast to
वेबसाइट.
a lot of students
Right.
are often very skeptical about going to startup or
Yes,
doing
right.
internship, considering कि मेरे को job. However, if you are at the right place, then the kind of exposure you get during your internship with startups is exactly what the
Right.
new age companies are
Yes.
looking at, the
Right.
brands are looking for, that
I
kind of
think-
hustle, that kinds of interoperability that they are looking at, interdisciplinary approach that they are looking at, is something that you get a great launch pad working with a startup.
Correct.
Yes.
So yeah, certainly that's another takeaway that our audience can take from our conversation, is they should be very open-mindedly exploring options to learn with startups.
Yes.
Correct.
And nowadays startups are not have big scales, big
Yes.
masses.
Correct.
So you all have to find it is just the right place to work with,
Correct.
right? So Khushi, will continue your journey there.
Sure.
Yeah.
So like in NBS also I'm like currently as a PlaceCom member. So like in the starting I felt कि यार मैं data science की हूँ और मैं PlaceCom में select हो गई हूँ, like is it a good decision or what? Then I realized no, I like to deal with people easily, so that's why I have been placed in that club, and it's an opportunity that you like work around the people and you will learn a lot with, like, of course you, Avni ma'am, Purvi ma'am, every interaction was important for us, so we learn a lot through that. So this is all the journey of me being like non-techie to tech, I think. So
Yeah.
that's all.
You had already moved out and learned a lot of things
Right.
in Vanasthali. But how are the learnings different at these two places? Your graduation, staying out in graduation versus what do you have learned here in your PG? What
Right.
step up has happened in last 2 years when it
Okay.
comes to personal development?
Yeah, I would say कि personal development में, like in my graduation itself, it was a in-campus like ground where I was there, and I used to interact with people, everything, ठीक है. Then here we in NBS we get practical exposure of everything. We used to go to in the TriSim, in the starting TriSim we were used to get projects to go visit to the companies and get the like job satisfaction or something. That was a project given to us. So the practical exposure, I think here I have got, like going outside is very important, how you deal with people. I think for experience that I have dealing with people, धीरे धीरे I have built throughout कि हाँ I have to deal, I'm like मैं ऐसी हूँ कि कोई stranger भी होगा ना तो I used to crack a conversation and he's very like comfortable, or he or she, whether it is, so I'm good with that. So I think कि धीरे धीरे it is built throughout my 2 years of journey. My parents don't believe कि हाँ ये वही खुशी है जो introvert थी and now ambivert. So like they are very proud of that कि हाँ अब धीरे धीरे she is moving out of that comfort zone and all. So that's
As a student of data science, I think one thing that also is important, that the ecosystem that you are taught into, how has the 100% digital infrastructure of NBS, how do you experience that as a student?
I would say कि now organizations are almost moving towards these things. They are digitalizing their whole organization. So अगर मुझे अभी नहीं पता है, मैं organization में जा रही हूँ and if there I ask कि ये क्या है, तो it will create a question mark in their mind कि हमने शायद सही candidate नहीं choose किया है. You know, because it is a basic thing. अगर एक tech field में जाना है, तो basic tech is what they want. I think वो चीज़ यहाँ बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी हुई है कि you know, entering into the campus itself we start getting into these things. हर चीज़ monitor हो रही है, digitally हो रहा है, तो there's no नो चांस कि आप कहीं से बच जाने वाले हो. और अगेन इस इन्वायरमेंट को 2 साल कंटिन्यूसली फॉलो करते 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 हम इस इन्वायरमेंट का पार्ट बन चुके हैं. तो नाउ अगर आगे कहीं ये चीज़ आ रही है तो हमें नया नहीं लगने वाला है. हमें पता है कि हमने सीखा है.
So I think digital friendly होने का मतलब, so when you have had an exposure of working with technologies, then you appreciate the importance of
Yes.
processes.
Right.
Because if you're not doing through technology, it's very easy to cut short the process or do something here and there, and that's where companies have been wanting to go digital, because through that they have better control of the processes that runs across. I think that kinds of build the habit to follow processes
Right.
and to understand how things work, because
Yes.
it is automated only when it is so smoothly arranged in a nicer way that it works seamlessly.
Yes.
So I think when you mentioned about the internship experience and how you help them understand the step-by-step process,
Right.
is also when we kind of realize, when you are into technology,
Right.
you understand that having that process diagram is so important, to automate things or to digitalize the thing. Before even you digitalize, you need to understand that, okay, what are the processes that are happening that we need to digitalize?
Yes.
Right.
How data moves from one part to another
another
part, and
part.
what are the interaction points? So yeah, that helps as well. I think great. We are moving towards the last question, and that is very important. That what is that one advice that you want to give from your whole experience of here at NBS to your juniors who are watching this, so that they might do something better and may not end up realizing it later that ये पहले पता होता तो देख लेते.
I would suggest one thing. I've seen juniors कि मतलब when they're entering, तो ऐसा होता है ना कि अभी तक हम शांति से पढ़ रहे थे, खा रहे थे, पी रहे थे, सो रहे थे. अब यहाँ कितना सारा स्ट्रेस आने वाला है उनको. दे आर हैविंग सीज प्रोजेक्ट्स, ये वो. तो एक सेम होते होते दे आर स्ट्रेस्ड कि यार हमसे होगा नहीं होगा. तो आई रियली वांट कि एक चीज़ उनको सीखनी चाहिए, वो है मैनेजमेंट. चाहे फिर वो टाइम मैनेजमेंट हो या उनका स्केड्यूल पूरा मैनेज करना है, व्हाटएवर दे वांट, बट एक मैनेजमेंट अगर वो सीख जाते हैं चीज़ों का तो बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएगा. नॉट ओनली इन देयर कैंपस लाइफ बट एज वेल एज इन देयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइफ.
Right.
बिकॉज मैनेजिंग योर टास्क, क्योंकि हर टास्क का एक डेडलाइन होता है, तो वो डेडलाइन मैच करना इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट अगेन. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि पहले दिन से ये वेट नहीं करना है कि काम आएगा तब करेंगे. Why not starting it from the day one? Proactive, we call it proactive. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अगर प्रोएक्टिव हो जाओगे तो आपके आधे काम कम हो जाएंगे.
Right.
तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि प्रोएक्टिवनेस इज सो नेसेसरी. सेकेंड आई वुड गो फॉर इज कंसिस्टेंसी, कि 5 दिन तो हम पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर 2 दिन छोड़ ही दो. मतलब फिर वो एक बार जो छोड़ दोगे ना तो फिर वो वापस आना मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि एक कंसिस्टेंसी रखना इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. और कभी कभी होता है कि हमें कोई चीज़ मिल जाती है तो हम छोड़ देते हैं, अब तो मिल गया ना, बट स्टिकिंग टू दैट थिंग इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. मिलने के बाद उसको संभाल के भी रखना है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वो तुम्हें मिल तो गया है, बट तुम अगर नहीं रख पाए तो वो चला भी जाएगा.
Right.
तो दैट इज ऑल्सो व्हाट इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट आवर जूनियर्स कि हाइपर होने से अच्छा है व्हाई नॉट कामली पहले दिन से उस पर काम करें और उस पर कंसिस्टेंट रहे.
Great. I'm sure a lot of them would have something to learn out of these 2 points. What's your lessons or advice for your juniors? Khushi?
I think sir, one advice I would give to juniors would be कि जैसे भी आप skill enhancement पे काम करो, like you are doing something, like as I'm a data science student, I would suggest कि skill is important as tech is changing every second. You
Yes.
need to be updated every second.
Right.
तो आई थिंक जूनियर्स को भी ये फॉलो करना चाहिए कि लाइक द टेक इज वेरी लाइक इवॉल्विंग थ्रू आउट.
The world is becoming more technological now.
Right, correct. With I think in the near future we will be having the touch feature or the robots will be doing everything. But
Right.
still, skill enhancement is one thing that they should follow. Like they are into something, they are learning something. If they found their interest, they should prepare themselves for that skill itself.
Yeah.
Ki like as I'm like from BBA background I learned कि Python अगर मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पहले आता तो I would like love to have here और इधर मुझे और मजा आता करने में,
राइट
तो
जब
वो थोड़ा
होमवर्क
सा
जब घर से होमवर्क करके आते हैं तो क्लासरूम ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है
right, correct. So that's what the thing is, one skill enhancement
and also I think that technology को हमने unnecessary hype करके रखा है. Technology is something which is very basic. It's a language.
Yes.
Sometimes it's a language of how we interact with people.
correct.
It's not that people often think that technology में मतलब मुझे coding आना चाहिए मुझे आज की डेट में because even the softwares have gone to low code no code
Yes.
almost.
Right, correct.
You know, so it's not that you have, in fact, as Nvidia's CEO said, that it's very unfortunate that we have to, the people have to code things.
Correct.
If AI is in place, if technology is in place, they should not be
Not
coding, rather they'd
coding.
be utilizing that platform to do something more bigger. है ना, बनाना नहीं है उसको implement करने का benefits वाला. You know, so that's how the world is changing. That's how the companies are. Nvidia became the biggest company,
I think,
most valued
there is a
company in
gem
the world.
inside us only, and
Right.
we need to find
Find
that.
it,
Find
yes.
that.
Find that.
I think that's the most advisable. Like you need to find inside your, like, what is that gem that you need to find, and how you need to work on that gem so that it can shine brighter and
Obviously.
brighter. So
Yes.
that's
And you have to work for that each day.
correct. Hard
Even-
work
yes.
and consistency is always there. Without hard work, nothing can.
Nothing.
I think luck is a factor, I can say, but without hard work, it cannot.
Luck favors the luck favors the hard
Hard
work.
work,
ones.
right?
Great,
Right.
thank you, girls, for sharing your entire journey with us. And I'm sure a lot of these, a lot of our viewers would get some relatable content to them, and because they would be also some point of time making decisions in their life. Your journey might help them inspire that कि कैसे एक the place from Jabalpur, वहाँ से एक a girl thinks of getting into a technology and lands up to become a data scientist at L&T, or from a girl which some मैंने कई females के साथ ये देखा हुआ है that they said this is not possible. You know, the parents won't allow them to move out, or it is some other restrictions. How you can amicably work that out, and you move out of your comfort zone and build that trust even with your parents, and do something good in your life. The life is yet to unfold a lot of things, but I think this is a good journey that you have covered so far. NBS wishes you all the best, and may you have a great future endeavors. All the best for all your future endeavors. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
It
you
was
for having us
yes.
here. It was a great experience. Even the whole journey with
Right.
you was incredible. I have
Right.
been here and there around you, but I would really say that I've learned a lot from you as well. I know I have made so many mistakes.
Obviously, that's a
but-
part and parcel.
Yes, but yes, I would really say that I've learned a lot from you, and I am glad that these things would help me in my career. So I'm grateful for that as well.
Of course, we
My
are
pleasure.
grateful to NBS itself, every
Yes.
faculty, every member that is here, and they supported us throughout our journey. Like कुछ भी होता था, like they are there for us. And also you, like recently it happened with me. There
Yeah.
was a meeting for Placecom, and I asked you for leaving. So you said no, you have to attend. So I think that's a thing.
What I appreciate about that fact is it's a two-way process. It's not
Right.
a one-way process. The more we wish to help the students, and we want to give that person attention at the same time, putting that effort equally from the other side is also
Correct.
something that motivates us. Everybody likes putting effort as long as that efforts are seeing some results out of that. And when we see students understanding those aspects and doing some work about it, and then the results are seen, I think it motivates every faculty to do more.
Right.
That's the culture, and I think that's let everyone flourish in this
Right.
beautiful culture. Thank you, and have a good time in Mumbai.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great.
Thank you, sir.